Oh shit, they're speeding up, man. I think we're fine though. All right, so we just jumped off the train because we were right fixing to head over that bridge. Now, I knew that roads... What? I knew that there were roads in front of us that we were going to cross. I had forgotten about the fact that there was that bridge there. So I looked
over like ponds or...
Because I just looked where the train was going, and I saw blue and white, and I thought, shit, we're fucked. Because I didn't know if we were at a crossroads, and if we were, we would totally have been fucked. Because, you know, the cops would have seen us, but we weren't because we were on the bridge. But we couldn't, we wanted to chase after the train, but we couldn't do that because, I mean, this is so noisy, they would have heard that. So they were pulling over someone for, you know, speeding ticket or something like that. Probably drunk driving. This is Thanksgiving night after all.
It's Thanksgiving night. It's 12 o'clock. You're looking for easy tickets.
So
Not expecting kids on a fucking train.
yeah, actually, those cops are going to be gone. I still want to walk over to that spot that we always hang out at. So let's just kind of, I don't like walking with, I can't see anything because the lights in my eyes.
The lights, yeah.
So at any rate, we're just going to...
Just to elaborate how we like literally did jump off the
Yeah,
train.
yeah, because I looked, and I saw
He saw the cop lights and said, dude, jump.
Yeah, because I saw the cop lights. I turned, I got ready to jump, and I think I said, dude, jump. Did I say it before I jumped or right afterward?
Right before you jumped. You said, dude, jump. Fucking bailed, and I was like, oh my god. And jumped off the fucking train. I am wearing flip-flops.
Yeah.
Flip-flops, no socks.
Yeah,
Dress
and...
pants. Oh, hold up. How fucked are my dress pants?
Actually, well, I mean, there's one spot. How fucked are mine? They're pretty bad, aren't they?
No, actually, I mean, there's one little spot on your, like...
Oh, what about the back of my jacket? I mean, my jacket.
Your jacket's got some stains on it, but...
I mean, my jacket's fucked already, but... that kind of sucks. I mean, well, I can say those stains remind me of this, so that's cool. This is fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, in a way, I'm glad that we jumped because that just adds to, you know, stuff to film.
Hell yeah.
So, I mean, it kind of sucks being on the back of the train because on the back of the train, you just have to hold on. And they didn't have any ladders or anything. We were just on the hitch. Yeah. And the thing I liked about being on the back of the train was that if you bail, you don't have to worry about your arms or legs getting cut off. You just have to worry about getting arms and legs broken, which
broken bones heal.
Yeah, and severed limbs.
Can't go back to fucking legs.
Practically, we could just wave an ambulance down. There's so many ambulances here. We wouldn't even have to call. Yeah. I'm gonna, I don't see the lights, but I'm gonna, oh wait. I don't know.
They're still there.
Yeah, they're still there.
Yeah. You wanna wait some, or? Yeah,
we're just gonna wait. And I'm not gonna be filming when we go over there because obviously
the bright fucking light.
It's like, we're gonna go like spy on the cops, maybe, just from a distance, see what's going on. I bet that person's probably taking a field sobriety test, which Nate's currently doing. He's not drunk, as you can see. Neither am I. Well, as I said, it's hard to film and walk on these at the same time.
It's very hard to do this in flip-flops, because they keep sliding.
All right, we are here in the tunnel of what looks to be never ending. Actually, you can see the end slightly with camera. The train just went past. I think you can barely hear it. Let's see. At any rate, we're in here, just checking out this homeless paradise. Right here we got a heroin needle. Needle not included. You have to get that yourself. Here's something I actually brought in here, I think. nut from the train tracks. It has a cigarette attached to it now. Got Rust-Oleum. This is actually the type of Rust-Oleum that I sprayed my brake drums with on my Galaxy. What a waste. Oh, another heroin. That one actually has a needle on it, so that's good. And I got a spider web in the face, so that's always fun. Got a lot of books here. One on tax cuts and job act and stuff like that, so you know, the homeless people got to get their tax deductions and stuff.
In between shots of heroin.
Yeah. Oatmeal. Rats like that. I'm surprised we haven't seen any rats or animals in here, to be honest. Got a used rubber here. Who would fucking hear? Because, I mean, here's the most romantic place in the world.
See, like, it's this weird paradox kind of thing. We're like, yeah, congrats, like, good on you for practicing safe sex. You, like, I can imagine, like, maybe fucking you're, well, high off your fucking acid, heroin, LSD, some kind of fucking drug that fucks you up beyond comparison. However, I can't imagine someone who's high off their fucking rocker practicing safe sex. So, like,
And the best part is, that means less children.
have children. Grandma bought you 2019. That's not. I didn't say that. I'm just.
Oh yeah. Here's Epstein's belt. This is the belt that Jeffrey Epstein hung himself with. It's totally not a junkie's heroin belt. Totally not. Either that or maybe it's for BDSM.
It's absolutely tied into the position. Hold on, we can see if it's.
That is the position that you would.
Yeah, I mean that's obviously fucking junkie belt, but yeah. I mean, there's just no two ways about it.
Got a green bra and some. This is actually really cool, like this military camo net. Everything's just so loud in here. Wonder when they built this place. Probably like the late 90s, early 2000s. The better question is, why did they build this place? I mean,
in all of our years that we've been here, we still haven't like figured out what this is.
probably look it up.
Probably, but that'd be a lot of effort.
Remember when it was further down here? Yeah, here where they have that diamond plate sheet metal. Remember I brought that huge head of a sledgehammer and I banged on this as loud as I could, scared the royal shit out of you?
Yeah.
Though there was a woman that was walking down, I assumed to explore this place. And
Fucking scared her off.
yeah, I didn't mean to, because I had that, I was actually trying to scare you, because I had that aforementioned piece of the sledgehammer, and I was getting ready, the door was like kind of closed, and I had that piece of the sledgehammer in my hand, and I went like, pow, and it made the door just fly open, and I heard like someone breathe really hard, and I heard running outside, and then I saw that woman just booking it down that pathway. And also it was funny as hell.
I mean, I do feel bad for her.
Well, I mean, in a way it's...
Sometimes you gotta be scared off from this place by the heroin.
Yeah, well, I mean, she, if she made it regular coming to hang out here, she could have gotten raped or something, so...
She might have actually been coming down here.
No, she was like a college student. She was dressed, normal, kind of like...
So she has better places to do heroin.
Yeah.
I keep tying it all back.
Yeah.
Just because I think that's funny.
Yeah, I need to not break my foot when I jump. Okay, good. Oh, those like aliens are still here. Yeah. I thought that was a shadow. Holy shit. Dot. That sounded epic. This would be really cool to put fireworks in.
Yeah. Just sort of fill it up with gunpowder.
Luke, I am your father. Ooh, it's new.
Loud noises are not making me happy.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Let's chill out with the noise.
Wait, I want to see if I can. All right, I only have 3 minutes on here. We're at the billboard that apparently I just noticed that we're not the first people up here that have noticed. These lights must have been off for a while because it says I love you. That's cool. It's so cool looking at all these pixels.
That's fucking cool.
And then of course back here, and up here, got the building and surrounding train tracks and stuff that you can't see. Probably look, if someone looks from a balcony, they're gonna be like, what are these idiots doing? They must be high. There's a parking lot and stuff. And I think there was, the last time we were here, like in 2016, I think there was someone on their balcony or something, and we chickened out. They probably didn't give a damn that we were here. There's not as much graffiti up here as I thought there would be, to be honest. Yeah. Ow.